Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Aaron Rodenbow. I'm an attorney with Garski Hewitt, specifically a personal injury attorney. I've handled numerous motor vehicle accidents, so I've been recently getting some questions about the recent changes in the No Fault Act that just took place yesterday, July 1st. So first I want to talk to you though about your personal injury protection benefits, your coverage options, and then my recommendations. Most people don't understand or don't know that they're entitled to certain personal injury protection or PIP benefits when they're involved in a motor vehicle accident. These are the five basic PIP benefits that you're entitled to. So if you're involved in a motor vehicle accident, you're entitled to have your medical bills paid for by your no-fault carrier insurer. You're also entitled to medical mileage, so trips to and from the doctor. You may be entitled to what they call wage loss. It's basically to replace your income so when you're involved in a motor vehicle accident, okay? So long as that is prescribed by a physician and you remain off work, you're entitled to wage loss. Again, if it's prescribed by a physician, you're also maybe entitled to what they call attendant care services. This is like nursing services where somebody has to come in and provide you some form of care, such as providing you medication or changing your bandages. So long as it's prescribed by a physician, they can receive an hourly rate in the state of Michigan. The other form of services that could be compensated for are what they call replacement services. It's basically where somebody has to come in and do your indoor or outdoor chores. For $20 per day is what you'll receive from your own no-fault carrier. Again, it has to be prescribed by a physician. But these are the five benefits, the basic benefits that you're entitled to in the state of Michigan. Let's talk about your coverage options. There are five basic options now in the state of Michigan. You can select unlimited coverage, which means that your medical bills are covered on an unlimited basis. The other two coverages options are $500,000 and $250,000 in coverages for medical bills. The final two options are you must meet the specific qualifications for. The first being $50,000 in coverage for only medical bills, but you have to qualify for Medicaid for that. The final one is you can select no coverage. So long as you qualify for Medicare Parts A and B, you can take these lesser amounts if you want to. Many people, like I said earlier, have been asking me, what should I do? Which coverage should I select, okay? I am recommending that you continue to select the unlimited coverage, okay? Why? So let's talk about a motor vehicle accident that I've seen that I dated back to 1982. In the state of Michigan, that person's medical bills were covered and continue to remain covered because that person had a traumatic brain injury in the accident. The accident was so severe, but because of the no-fault system, this person's medical bills dating back to 1982 and onward were still covered. That's one of the beauties of the no-fault system, ladies and gentlemen, which is why you should select the unlimited option. I've talked to a couple different agents lately about this. It's really only going to save you if you take the lesser amounts anyways, $10 to $20, okay? It doesn't make sense for you to not have unlimited coverage at that point for just $10 to $20. You're not going to save yourself money in the long run. And I want to talk about this why. What's the leading cause of filing for bankruptcy? It's medical bills. So in order to avoid bankruptcy or anything like that, as far as where there's no coverage and people are coming back after you for the medical bills, you want to keep that unlimited coverage no matter what. We have no idea what's the interaction is going to happen and take place with Medicare and Medicaid just yet, but it's still my recommendation that you still have unlimited coverage, people. Why? Because ultimately, if you're involved in a motor vehicle accident today and continue to need treatment from now, a year from now, 5 years from now, it'll still be covered, so long as it's related to the motor vehicle accident. My name is Aaron Rodenbow. I work for Garski Hewitt. We offer free consultations. Give us a call today, 989-355-0100.